Hello everyone, welcome back to another Roblox video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make a rainbow part. So in order to make a rainbow part, you're going to insert a part. I'm going to make the size 5x5 and bring that up here. So now we have our part. We want it anchored, of course. And so now we're going to add a script. And the script's going to be called rainbow. So in the rainbow script, we're going to make a loop that will run infinitely. So we'll do while true do wait, and this is the amount of time we're gonna have to tween it the color. So we're gonna have to put while true do wait 2. Okay, so now we're gonna do, because the color 3 values consists of red, green, and blue. So now we have red, green, and blue. We have to do local red, local green, local blue. And then so for here, we're going to do red equals math.random, green equals math.random, and then blue equals math.random. Now don't click out yet, because you have to put something in these parameters. Okay, we have these brackets, not brackets, not braces, parentheses here. So in here, a color value, color 3 value, usually once you go up to 1, if you go up to number 1, 1, 1, it'll be white. So you have to use decimals. So what we're going to do, we're going to have a value of 0.0. And the maximum value is going to be 1.0. So for these, we're going to have each one 1.0, 1.0. So it will pick any number constantly every 2 seconds. Rather, it can be numbered, like it could be 0.5. It cannot go over 1.0. So then it'll just be white the whole time. It will just be trash. So make sure you have this. It can pick 0.3 for this one here. It can be red as in 0.5. It can be green as 0.6, and this one can be 0.1. It doesn't matter. As long as you have these, then you're pretty good. So now we're gonna do local tween service equals get service. Service, just like this. I'll give you guys a second. Alright, so there's a quicker way to do it, but for this tutorial I'm gonna make it as simple as possible. So you're gonna make a variable called info. You're gonna make a variable called goal. And we're gonna do info equals tweeninfo.new. And you're going to put this number, okay, the same number here, okay. So if you want to, I'll show you in a second. So you're going to do this, enum.easingstyle, and then you have quad, you have any easing style. It can be any of these, it's just up to you, okay. I'll leave a link in the description for the easing styles. If I forget, tell me in the comments below. But we're going to do quad, enum.easingdirection.out 0 false 0. Just have this right here, so this will just prevent it from re-looping and stuff like that. And then so goal equals, and then it's going to put a curly braces. Okay, so you need these curly braces because we're storing a table, and this table is going to be color 3 equals, or no, not color, not color 3, color, right, because we're doing the part equals color 3.new. And then we have the red, the green, and the blue. So now we have this. We can do local tween equals tween service, create. I'm going to create the part, which is script.parent. Well, this is the part, script.parent. And then we're going to create the info, which is this, and the goal. We're going to do tween. And play, and then if we click run right here, it is changing colors, and it is changing colors very smoothly. So if you want this to move faster, you can put this number at 1 and put this number at 1, and it will move faster. and it'll pick a random number between these areas or whatever, and it'll be pretty cool. So just pick another random number constantly, and it is actually pretty cool to make. And this is probably the easiest way to do it. There's multiple ways to do things, but by far this is probably the easiest way. No matter what you do tutorial, it's probably no tutorial. Cause I just found this out. Like I was just like thinking I should probably make a rainbow part or make rainbow script. And so I figured out this because I thought at first I could just put 1 and then 100 here, but I realized that color values are only decimals. It barely goes to 1. So it looks pretty cool. And it can go even faster than this. If you put this at 0.5, you can put this at 0.5 and it'll go really fast. Like this. Look at this, how fast it's going now. It's so fast. And sometimes it might it looks like it stops because it's doing the same color. Because look, it's using I'm gonna try something. It can be 0.01. Well, no, I want to try this. It can be 1.0, 0, 1, and let's just try 1. Or no, yeah, I'm gonna try this out really quickly. See what this reacts. So now it's doing this, and now it's actually looking pretty cool. You know, it's giving random numbers, and it looks like it's just, you know, it looks pretty cool. So now if it's 0.1, we can go to 0.1, and it'll still be the same way. If I put this at 1 and put this at 0.001, it will go fine. Every number, it'll probably be most accurate. It's probably not going to stop changing colors because there's so many colors in the book. And yeah, so let's say, I think it's going to turn green next. Yo, that's the luck right there. But anyways, guys, that is how you do it. I'll paste the code in the description as I'm copying and pasting it now. Thank you guys for watching. Click the paste button below to see the code. Thank you for watching. Peace out.